All right, Cameron, thanks so much. Now turning to coronavirus, the state health department in Minnesota reports that the so-called UK variant of COVID-19 has been identified in that state. Cases were found in 5 people there in 4 separate counties around the Twin Cities area. 2 had traveled internationally, 1 had not. The other patient's travel status is not known. According to a state health official in Minnesota, this strain is thought to be more contagious, but is not causing more severe disease in people who get it. NBC 26's Eric Kress talked with health leaders here in Northeast Wisconsin.
Across the globe, there are now several different strains of COVID-19, but the UK strain that was just discovered in Minnesota is believed to be much more contagious than what we've seen so far.
They do estimate that it maybe is 50 to 70% more contagious than the strain previously that was circulating in the United Kingdom.
Dr. Michael Landrum, an infectious disease physician at Bellin Health, says it's possible that the COVID variant may already be in Wisconsin. But for those who test positive for COVID-19, they likely wouldn't know which strain they had.
For the information we have right now, it looks like it is no different in terms of its complications and risk for hospitalization.
Early research suggests the COVID-19 vaccines in America that are rolling out are effective at slowing the spread of the UK strain as well.
The vaccine effectiveness has not been impacted or is not altered with the UK strain.
But the real concern is that if more people are infected with this COVID variant than what we've already endured, hospitals not just in Wisconsin but across the globe would have a hard time keeping up.
If it is more transmissible, it could potentially, lead to more cases in the community overall, which would then lead to larger numbers of people in the hospital and complications in the community.
Mutations in the COVID-19 virus were expected by healthcare leaders, and as we approach this new challenge of the pandemic, doctors are leaning on a message we're all too used to.
So it emphasizes the continued importance of really staying safe, wearing a mask, washing your hands, keeping your distance from others.
In Green Bay, Eric Kress, NBC 26.
So again, doctors say that at this point, the new COVID variant, or this variant, I should say, does not appear to have any worse health impacts on someone compared to the version of the coronavirus that has already been moving through the country.